ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back with us in AMB. I'm Katina Abdulghani, your mobile apps trainer. And today I would like to share with all of you about our online program, which we give a full comprehensive toolkit, which we call it as AMB Mobile Apps Builder Without Coding CMS Toolkit. Why we are launching this, ladies and gentlemen? First and foremost, we would like to reach out more people, because especially now with the COVID-19 and so on, a lot of business are now online. Okay, and even then, a lot of us, even before COVID-19, we always have in mind, why can't somebody solve that problem by building an app? Why can't I have an app? Because more majority of my customers prefer, and everybody has smartphone and they prefer apps. All right, but what is stopping you from building apps, ladies and gentlemen? Very simple, because it's not easy building apps. Okay, and if we were to actually build apps, we need to learn coding and programming. And how do we resolve that? We might just as well actually engage programmers or companies. But then again, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of us, although we have an idea to build an app, but we do not know how to start it. We do not know actually what we want to have in the app. All right, and the cost of building an app by engaging somebody else is going to be huge. It's going to be, sometimes when we appoint, we thought that we have confirm of the pricing, then the programmer say, oh, while developing this, we have not thought about this, we have not, and the cost just get escalated. And then some of us pay money to programmers run away and so on. There is one of our participants who attended our workshop. He actually lost a lot of money because he didn't want to go to a freelance. He went for a company that has reputable standing in terms of his discussion. Eventually the company went bankrupt. So there's a lot of issues doing that, and we are a company growing. Okay, or you are somebody who wants to build app as a passive income. You definitely do not want to take all those risks and then spend so much money on it. So this is whereby our AMB toolkit resolve all these problems and issues. No need to go through all this. And what makes it much more wonderful is that you do not need to even learn coding or programming, which might take you 6 months, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and even then some programmers, they still use our system to build apps. So ladies and gentlemen, if building apps is what you want, AMB toolkit that we are offering is the best. All right, why? Very simple, ladies and gentlemen, because it doesn't require you to learn any coding. Okay, and you can just use English. Okay, you can just use English and move forward as fast as possible. Put your idea into an app content. Okay, into an app content, and then it's very simple, fast, and hassle free. All right, AMB toolkit comes with all the videos and manuals, come with all the support that we give you via Facebook and also via Telegram. If you have any issues, just ask us. Of course, it cannot replace our full hands-on workshop, ladies and gentlemen, because you are being guided with me, basically like a one-to-one in a class form. But however, okay, AMB toolkit allows you to build apps at your own pace. Okay, and we are always here to provide support all the way with you, lifetime. All right, so what do you need to do? Very simple. Okay, 3 steps only, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, choose what you want to build, templates that you want to build. Okay, we have more than 100 feature pages. Okay, you select it, fill in the blanks all in English. Okay, and then use all the spices. It's like cooking, ladies and gentlemen. We prepare all the spices, all the ingredient for you. Just use it. Okay, in order for you to start building your app. All right, publish it out, test it out, and start generating income via your mobile apps, either for your own business or as a passive income. All right, can you improve it? Can you update it? Of course, definitely. And the great advantage of our system is that you can sync it automatically. All right, the app is live in the store, you can make changes and it's sync automatically. So ladies and gentlemen, with AMB toolkit in your hand, you will have a very powerful tool that could change your business. Okay, you could have a very powerful tool that could help you generate passive income. But passive income is sikit-sikit lama-lama jadi bukit, ladies and gentlemen, because you have to build multiple apps. So what are you waiting for? All right, start building your apps today. Grab your AMB toolkit. Please click at this below link button. All right, and start your journey with us in AMB. We welcome all of you to join us soon. So with that, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We look forward to see you again as a participant in our program. With that, thank you so much.